Hi, my name is Jocelyn Ramirez and I'm the chef and founder of Todo Verde. And I'm gonna be making tacos al pastor today using jackfruit as a base. So if you haven't checked out our jackfruit video to see how I get it all perfectly minced and prepped, please circle back to that first and then come back and cook with me. There is a ton of goodness in this seasoning, everything from panela sugar, black garlic, nutritional yeast, achiote, and so much more. It even has pineapple powder. So you're getting that love from the pineapple in here to give just a little bit of sweetness. Because we don't use any artificial ingredients in our seasonings, you may see little clumps here and there. You get that all broken up and that you get all the ingredients distributed throughout. So I like to use 2 tablespoons of this al pastor seasoning for a 20-ounce can of young green jackfruit. Mix this together until it's nice and well coated. Make sure your pan is preheated to about a medium heat. I have a 1/4 cup of neutral flavored oil and I'm gonna go ahead and drop in my jackfruit and let that get nice and seared. You can cook this anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes. I like to cook mine closer to 15 minutes just to get a little bit more crispiness. What I love about al pastor is it's not a spicy dish. It's something that just has a good amount of flavor from the chiles. A little bit of salsa de aguacate, obviously with avocado, some fire roasted tomatillos, and a little bit of cilantro, fire roasted jalapeno, so it packs a little bit of heat with it. I love adding the crunch of a little bit of red onion and cilantro. A little piña goes a long way. Check that out. Tell me that doesn't look like a beautiful taco del pastor. And a little bit of freshly squeezed lime juice. So delicious with the earthy achiote. You have a little bit of that chile coming through. Pick up some al pastor seasoning. Check out more recipes at todoverde.org.